You know that feeling when your brain just won't stop? It won't stop thinking. It won't stop turning things over. It keeps replaying a conversation you had earlier today. You're wondering about what's going to happen tomorrow, or next week, or next month. One thought leads to another, and suddenly everything altogether feels like entirely too much. This video is for that exact moment. We're going to work on a technique called the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding. You will be paying attention to your 5 senses: sight, touch, sound, smell, and taste. This is a proven technique that works because it pulls your brain out of the spiral and back into your body so that you can take a breath and recalibrate and find your center of calmness so you can handle life in this moment. In the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique, you will look for 5 things that you can see. Say them out loud or in your head slowly, like, I see a wall, I see my bed. Identify 5 of those. Then seek out 4 things that you can physically feel, like your feet on the floor, the chair under you, the air on your skin. Then you'll listen for 3 things that you can hear right now. Really listen. I hear my heartbeat. I hear cars driving by. Next, find 2 things that you can smell. And finally, 1 thing you can taste. By the time you get to 1, your nervous system has started to slow down. This is not a trick. This is how your brain actually works. So why does this work? Something to understand, which is information for you to truly believe, is that anxiety lives in the future, the what if, and the what's going to happen. Grounding yourself and doing the 5-4-3-2-1 technique brings you right back to this second, this moment, and this room. You cannot spiral about the future and then be fully present at the same time. This technique interrupts a spiral at your neurological levels. You can use this at night when your brain won't stop. You can do it before you have a hard conversation. You can do it in the bathroom at school when you need 60 seconds to reset. You can do this anytime. There is no wrong time to use it. Save this video so you have it when you need it. Remember, you're not your spiral. You are the person who can come back from it.